Hi, Steve here. Today we're going to look at a sound drop made with 52 hertz and study the effect of that frequency on a single drop of saline solution, which is just basically water with salt in it. Anyway, before this test we had been experimenting with other liquids, including oil, and you can see a residue of oil on the top of the water drop. Um, I decided to leave that there because I thought it'd be an interesting study on what happens to the surface of the drop prior to its organizing itself into a pattern. So, as you watch this video, watch what happens to these spinning counter-rotating areas on the surface as we increase the volume. The volume steps up in increments of about 3 dB, and we're going to do it 5 times. I think you'll find it pretty interesting.